Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to prevent your video from being restricted on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. We have your profile, we have your messages, we have the plus button where you can put your content, the Explore, and the For You page as the first page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and prevent your video from being restricted on Likee. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is sign into your account, of course, as I already told you. And at the top right, click your profile photo. When you clicked on your profile photo, of course, you will be here, as you can see, in the profile section. So this is the 5th tab. There you need to go at the bottom, click restricted mode. So when you put the restricted mode, your videos will, of course, not be in the restricted mode anymore. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you had a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.